Haven at Windermere is an independent and assisted living facility in Baton Rouge. We had an old system from Executone. It was just outdated. The resident, when they would push their button for the staff to come and check on them, or if they had an emergency or fall or whatever, sometimes it wouldn't go through, so the staff wouldn't know.
teleCARE is unique in the market. It's the industry leader in safety features for wireless call and wander management. And it is also the leader in staff-resident communication. They push the button, and within about 2 to 3 seconds, that call has appeared on the caregiver's phone. For the resident standpoint, it gives them what directors call call assurance.
I have this little band. I jokingly call it the Dick Tracy watch because that's what it reminded me of. And I pushed the button and somebody was there immediately.
We have to be able to differentiate between something that's an emergency so we can send a staff member quickly to that person, and something that is just someone that's lonely or someone that is bored and just wants to see somebody.
With the residents, they're very pleased with the speech option with the call system. They have that sense of security knowing that someone can call into the room to check on them.
It makes me feel so much safer knowing that I have this technology available to me.
All people of my age and even younger, if they're in a situation like this, we need to be able to call for help and need to have it at hand.
This one has the beacons on the hall, so if someone falls in the dining room and push their button, you know exactly where to go find them.
We also have a wander system too that's included in this system. So if we do have someone that has dementia, Alzheimer's, and they do wander within the facility, anytime they pass a barrier where there's an outside door, the system goes off. They can pinpoint exactly what door they're near, and it really has helped the staff. It's calmed all of us down.
Ascom, whenever we are called in to work with a customer, we as the clinical applications specialist use our nursing background to come in and discuss with them what is it that they want from the system, what are their goals, what are their objectives to help them do their job better. So I spend time doing that pre-consultation work to gather that information, and that information that I gather, I then provide back to the actual implementation engineers so that they design and set it up to reach their goals.
We really didn't have a product from a manufacturer at that time to sell into the assisted living center. Well, then comes teleCARE IP. Okay, this was a system that was specifically designed for this particular market.
We had a great technical staff that worked great with the Ascom engineers. They worked through all the problems because we were kind of on a beta test site, with this being the first system that went in across the country.
It was, in my mind, a great risk. I'd never heard of this company. This was brand new technology. I told them what I was looking for. They said, oh, these people can do it. But believe me, that's not the first time I've ever heard that line. And it was really a wonderful moment when I found out that they really could do it.
What made this project successful was our relationship with the end user, his staff, my staff, Ascom's staff, and their ability to install, their ability and willingness to get this installed and make it work for the facility.